Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from PayPal to Cash App. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that matter, it's a very easy process. First thing first, access your PayPal and then go to the section of link a card. I have not yet linked, so go ahead, link a card or a link bank or with the same bank information which is linked with your Cash App as well. Once you have linked to your bank, then you're going to go to the send section and you're going to go ahead tap on the send payment to. You're going to add in the information of your bank, right? Go ahead, add in the information of your bank, tap on next and send the amount to that bank of yours from your PayPal. Then go ahead, access your Cash App and go to the add money section. Now when you go to the add money section, you're gonna go ahead choose the same bank that you transferred or got money from your PayPal on your bank account. Once choose the same bank and added the same amount, you will confirm the transaction and you will get the money on your Cash App, which was transferred to your bank from the PayPal itself. That's the way to go. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.